Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change Google Play Store password on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet and go ahead to your Google Play Store. And if you wanna change your Google password, here I'm gonna use for my third Google Play Store account, yeah guys, and just tap on this Google account if you wanna change for the password. And after here you just have to scroll it down until we found out here the Google password. Just tap on it. Now just enter your currently password first. Tap on the next button, and in this page you have to enter your new password and confirm your new password here at the last column, yeah guys. I'm gonna make it first. Now tap on the change password here at the bottom, and there are information that password changed successfully, yeah guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me tutorial how to change your Google Play Store password on Android. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.